In this video, I will give you a relaxing moment and guide you through the process of baking rustic sour cream cake with berries in our cozy mountain house. This delightful cake combines the delicious flavors of citrus with the sweetness of fresh berries, perfect for any occasion. Follow along for the full recipe and tips for best results. Enjoy baking in a rustic, homely setting, and share the joy of homemade goodness. Every morning, as the gentle sunlight filters through the lush green foliage, the chirping of birds, the rustling of the wind through the trees. Finish the cake. Once the cake is cool enough to handle, remove it from the pan and transfer to a plate. Brush the warm honey glaze over the entire cake. Make the frosting. Mix together mascarpone, ground ginger, orange zest, and honey until smooth. Spread the frosting over the top of the cake and garnish with orange slices. Enjoy this delightful orange loaf cake with a cup of coffee or tea.